Today I'm pleased to confirm the Welsh Government will make £33 million available to continue to support local authorities to provide free school meals while schools remain closed to the majority of pupils. I have confidence in the way that Welsh local authorities have responded swiftly to the emergency, and I'm aware that the local approaches are working very well. I can confirm that we will provide this £33 million to enable local authorities to continue free school meal provision until schools reopen or up until the end of August. This makes Wales the first country in the United Kingdom to provide continued assurance of support to families over the summer holidays. To find out how your local authority will provide free school meals, please use the postcode search function in the link above. And if you're eligible for free school meals but are not receiving support currently, then please contact your local authority. Details are again available in the link above.